Today, we're diving into a product that's essential for any tiling project. The Mapei Flexcolor Cq Ready-to-Use Grout. Renowned for its quality and ease of use, this grout stands out as a top choice among professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Welcome to Product Critique, where we dissect the finest products on the market. Let's explore why this particular grout is making waves in the tiling world. The Mapei Flexcolor Cq Grout is not your average grout. It's a professional-grade, ready-to-use solution that boasts color quartz technology, ensuring vibrant and long-lasting color. Unlike traditional grouts, there's no need for mixing, saving you time and hassle on your projects. With its drop effect technology, this grout resists water penetration, making it ideal for wet areas like bathrooms and kitchens. Plus, its crack and shrinkage-controlled formulation guarantee durability, even in high-traffic areas. Why is this the best Mapei Flexcolor Cq Grout available? It all boils down to performance and convenience. The color quartz technology ensures that your grout lines maintain their color and vibrancy for years to come, resisting fading and discoloration. Its ready-to-use nature means you can dive straight into your tiling project without the hassle of mixing powders and water. And with its exceptional water resistance and durability, you can trust that your tiled surfaces will stand the test of time. Before you start using the Mapei Flexcolor Cq Grout, ensure that your tiles are clean and free of any debris or residue. Apply the grout generously, using a grout float to press it into the joints. Once applied, use a damp sponge to remove any excess grout from the tile surface. Allow the grout to cure according to the manufacturer's instructions before sealing for added protection. In conclusion, the Mapei Flexcolor Cq Ready-to-Use Grout is undoubtedly the best choice for your tiling projects. Its professional-grade quality, coupled with its ease of use and exceptional performance, sets it apart from the competition. Say goodbye to tedious grout mixing and hello to beautiful, long-lasting tiled surfaces. Upgrade your tiling game with Mapei Flexcolor Cq Grout today. That wraps up our review of the Mapei Flexcolor Cq Grout here on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth product analyses. Have you used this grout before? Share your experiences in the comments below. Until next time, happy tiling!